Can you say boat, Ethan? Can you say boat?
Yeah, that's a boat. It's called the stepsister of Akko. The other one's the queen of Akko, and so I figured this one has to be like stepsister or something. Look at the boat. Say bye-bye, boat.
Say hi, Stella. Family Fun Friday! They're walking along the promenade
A deer? Yep, there's
in
a
the
deer.
old city. Where's a deer?
I don't know, he pointed out in the water, said, a deer?
The deer's not out there.
The deer's
He could be. Not impossible.
Is he bobbing out in the water?
No, he likes to call for him when he's like on our balcony and stuff.
Deer? You'd be really...
Shosh! What about AJ?
Call for AJ, maybe he's gonna pop up.
Can you call for AJ?
You actually called.
Well, Shosh, AJ, and a deer, you were thought of in Akko today.
What about Stephanie and Perry? Do you want to call them too?
Stephanie.
Perry.
He sees something now, he's distracted.
Yeah.
It's
a bee.
A bee?
Every insect.
Where's a bee? Show me. He's like, where's the bee? Show me.
You see?
Oh, I see. It's a dead critter of some sort. Yeah.
Bee.
Did you see the bee?